Hi guys, ganito lang kabilis magbayad ng SSS contribution online. So, pumunta lang sa iyong browser at i-type ang SSS and then puntahan yung official website ng Social Security System or click ang My SSS. Pag nandiyan ka na sa webpage nila, ay i-type lamang or i-input ang iyong username and password. Hintayin itong mag-load at mag-request ito ng one-time password na masisend sa phone number na registered sa iyong account. And then, puntahan yung payment reference number at generate PRN. And then, once maklik mo yung generate PRN, antayin lang natin na mag-load yung page. Medyo loading siya. So, mapupunta ka sa page na to at isi-select mo yung kung ano yung type of contribution mo, like employed or voluntary. So, in this case, voluntary siya. And then, iselect yung applicable period, yung month and year na gusto mong bayaran. So, in this case, it's June. So, it's June, from June to June. So, 1 month lang yung babayaran natin. So, pipiliin mo yung contribution mo. And then, yung WSP amount, wala na yan. Leave it blank and then click submit request. May magpa-prompt dito at i-click mo lang yung okay after checking, of course, na tama yung information. So, check the information, lahat ng in-input mo kung correct, and then generate. Pagkatapos mo mag-generate, mapupunta ka sa page na to at i-click mo lang yung pay, piliin mo yung bilero, and click continue. So, let's just wait for a minute and it's here. So, ito yun yung details ng kailangan mong bayaran. So, click next. And sa page na to, kung hindi mo pa na-save yung mga details mo, kailangan mo i-input yung phone number, email address, and then yung mailing address mo or yung residence address mo. And then, pili ka dito sa mga type of or payment option, payment methods. Meron silang credit card or over-the-counter bank transfer at e-wallet. So, for this video, let's choose yung e-wallet kasi ang gagamitin natin sa pagbabayad today is GCash. Okay, so select e-wallet and then GCash. Meron siyang convenience fee kasi hindi mo na kailangan lumabas ng bahay, hindi mo na kailangan pumila at kung ano-ano pa. So, required talaga yung i-input mo yung home address mo. So, just bear with me, i-input natin yung mga details ng address. Kailangan kumpleto siya kasi required yung mga field na to. Yung hindi tayo makakapag-continue unless we're able to supply this needed information. Lalagay mo yung address, yung city, zip code, province, and then Philippines, etc. So, pag na-fill out na lahat, let's just click next. And kailangan na i-confirm yung payment. So, payment method is GCash. And then the amount is 2,078. That's the contribution plus the convenience fee. Kailangan at this point, kailangan natin mag-log in sa ating GCash account. So, i-input lang yung GCash number and then click next. Tapos, magsisend yan ng OTP sa ating phone and then click next. Tapos, sa next, kailangan mong i-input yung GCash PIN mo, of course. And then, pagka-input, nasa loob ka na ng GCash account mo at this point. So, you just have to check. Dapat tama yung balance mo, enough for the amount required to pay. And then, click pay. Pag correct naman yung information na nakikita mo. And then, it looks like it just went through. Okay, antayin lang natin na bumalik siya sa merchant. Okay. So, here it is. Tapos na yung payment. I mean, please don't ever close this browser or this tab while waiting for your payment to be processed, like completely processed or successfully processed. Because baka mag-fail, tapos nakakaltas na yung pera from GCash and hindi siya makikredit sa SSS. So, just be careful. Wag na wag mo i-close yung browser habang nagwe-wait ng confirmation na successful na yung transaction natin. So, this is it. Looks like it's it went through smoothly. It's successful. I want to check dun sa website mismo, dun sa mga PRN, dun sa account na successful na yung payment. So I received the email confirmation as the payment went through and it's been successful. And another way to check na successful yung transaction mo is bumalik ka dun sa website ng SSS. Let's go back to SSS website and i-check natin yung actual premium payments. So, ito yung binayaran natin June 2023 and yan. Yan. So, successful na yan. Credited yung binayad na. So, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. And for more informative videos in the future, please subscribe to our channel.